In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tab in Canva. If you've ever tried to press the tab key inside Canva and nothing happened, you're not alone. Canva doesn't use traditional tab stops like word processors do, but you can still create clean, consistent indents. I'll walk you through two simple approaches: using the spacebar to make a manual indent, and fine-tuning spacing with Canva's advanced text settings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to line up text the way you want. Start by clicking the text you want to format, so the cursor is active inside the text box. From here, you can manually create a tab by pressing the spacebar a few times. Think of this as building a custom indent. Keep an eye on your baseline and add or remove spaces until the left edge feels right for your design. A quick tip: be consistent with the number of spaces you use for each indent across your project to keep everything looking uniform. If you're lining up multiple lines, copy and paste that group of spaces, so every indent matches perfectly. If you'd rather refine the spacing more precisely, look to the toolbar at the top and open the advanced text settings. This panel gives you controls that affect how your text sits on the page, which is helpful when you want a tidy, professional layout. Inside those settings, adjust the letter spacing slider to spread characters farther apart or bring them closer together. Increasing letter spacing can help you fake a tab-like gap after a short label or heading. Select exactly the portion of text you want to affect. Then, nudge the slider until the spacing feels balanced. Keep in mind that letter spacing applies to the selection you have highlighted, so zoom in if you need fine control and aim for consistency from one line to the next. Next, adjust the line spacing slider to control vertical spacing. After you add indents, you might notice your lines feel a bit crowded or too airy. Line spacing lets you open up the text for readability or tighten it to save space. If your text is in multiple lines or paragraphs, a small tweak here can prevent indented lines from looking uneven. Make small changes, then review the entire block to ensure it reads comfortably. To finish, review your layout at 100% view and in any export previews you plan to use. Consistent manual spaces paired with smart letter and line spacing will give you a clean, tab-like look in Canva without traditional tabs.